And welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. First and foremost, I do want to say a massive thank you. I can't believe we've reached 1,000 subscribers. It is so surreal to me. This is a hobby that I really enjoy doing. I think it was last February that I started this YouTube channel purely off the motivation of Will, my lovely boyfriend, who just said if you enjoy talking about fashion and beauty that much, then why not start a YouTube channel? And here we are. So if you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Yazz. I would really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, and join this crazy designer addictive family. Normally on Sundays it's more beauty, kind of like tutorial style related, or maybe even like what I wear in a week, but definitely through the week it is more designer, so I'd love it if you would subscribe. We'd love to have you. In today's video I have a new palette that I'm so excited to try out. This is the Bobbi Brown Nude Drama 2 palette, and I'm going to try and create 3 gorgeous eye looks. I did this with my Amber Neutrals Dior palette. I'll leave that linked if you want to go check that out, and I really enjoyed doing it. I love watching these type of videos, so I thought I'd give it another go. And let's jump straight into the first eye look. So let's open this bad boy up. I'm just obsessed with the colours. They're completely up my street, and the packaging is just divine. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, they're beautiful, and it's a nice big mirror as well, which I might use. These are the colours. Initial thoughts, guys? Stunning, I know. And then it's got a really lovely big mirror in it, which I adore. So let's prime the lids, and I will zoom you in. Okay guys, first makeup look, here we come. I think I'm going to start natural and then amp up the drama as we go through the makeup looks. And I'm going to prime my eyelids every time with my Flawless Fusion concealer from Laura Mercier. I'm just going to dot this on the eyelids and then blend with my concealer touch-up brush from Full Coverage touch-up brush from Bobbi Brown. I love this, it works so well. I use this on my concealer, on my under eye. I just love it. It works so well to blend everything in, and then also if you've got any blemishes on your face, this works perfectly at hiding them. And then I think I'm going to set the lids with that really pale shade on the palette. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna set with this shade here. Oh, it's called Ivory, and I'm gonna set that with my blender brush again from Bobbi Brown. There's a trend here, isn't there? I'm just gonna take that on like that and just blend. Oh my God, I think I might use this. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this gorgeous pinky colour. This one's called Antique Rose. So I'm going to go in with that one and go in with the crease. I'm going to take a Morphe M573 brush. It's just tapered at the end, kind of rounded, which is nice. I'm just going to take a little amount. So I don't know how pigmented these are. So it's just a very nice rosy colour. Take that into the crease. I'm just trying to create a nice little angle. Then I'm going to repeat on the other eye. So what I like to do between each step is just blend that out with my blender brush. I like to add a little bit onto that blender brush and just blend that out. darker colour to the corner, maybe a little bit of a glitter, just to really make the eyes pop. I think that'll be it for eye look number 1. So I'm going to go in to this shade here, which is Blondie. Yeah, Blondie. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Blondie, with the same brush I used for Antique Rose, and I'm just going to concentrate it on the outer corner. Quite like that, it's quite nice. Not too much. But nice for like a desk, you know, work desk eye or a day eye. Very pretty. And then repeat on the other side. There we go. And then I'm going to use that same shade with my smudger brush from Bobbi Brown and go on the lower lash. So this brush, and just go on to the lower lash with the same colour. And really try and connect those together. What are we thinking? We like it? I think I'm going to go with that middle shade, Champagne Toast, that one there, and just add that to the centre of the lid. I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush to apply this. Fair amount. Oh, that's a really pretty shade. What do you think? I really like it. I think I might go back in with that darker colour just to enhance the eye, add a bit more dimension. And there we have it, look number 1. I'm going to add some mascara, a little lipstick and finish this off, but I would definitely use this during the day. Quite like it. So let's finish this look off. So I finished up this makeup look with my Laura Mercier Caviar Mascara, and then for the lips I used Pillow Talk in the lip liner and the lipstick. I really like this makeup look. I would definitely wear this during the day, and then you could amp it up by adding a bit more dimension to the corner of your eyes, adding some liner. I think it's a really nice go-to makeup look. I really like it. Let me know in the comments down below. And on to the second eye look. Okay guys, on to makeup look number 2. Now I have no idea what I'm going to do with this makeup look. I'm thinking let's go in with some nice deep browns and then add a pop of colour with this really nice orange colour. I think it's called, yeah, Fever Dream. It's gorgeous. So let's give that a go. So I've already primed my eyelids. I think I'm going to go in with that not deep brown, sorry. What is it called again? Blondie. This one, Blondie. Again, let's go into Blondie. I'm just going to go on the outer corner, and then once with the excess product on the brush, just bring that into the inner corner like so, and then kind of like connect them into the bottom. Excited for this makeup look, guys. Okay, I think we're going to go into this colour now, same brush, and this one is Mahogany. just going to blend it all out and then apply that mahogany colour to the lower lash and connect that all up. Now I think I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer to this part of the lid, the centre of the lid, because I really want that colour to pop. Just grabbed it. I'm a sausage. Right. Just taking my concealer blending brush from Bobbi Brown. Just going to apply a little bit. Setting that again with the ivory colour from before. And then going with my eyeshadow brush with Fever Dream. Let's hope this is nice. Missed a step up. I normally go underneath the eye, so I'm going to go into that mahogany and do that now. So we connect them all, connect it all together. And then I think I'm going to go in with this colour again and just make it a bit more dramatic. So let's go in with the Morphe brush from before. Apply a little bit more. And then for the highlighter, I think I'm going to go in with my smudgy brush and go into that champagne colour in the middle at the top, just on the inner corner. It's actually really pretty, the highlighter. And then I'm just going to buff the edges out from the top. And then let's apply some eyeliner, mascara and lipstick and finish this look up. And this is the second look. What do we think? I really like this. I really like it and love the pop of like glittery orange. To finish this off, I've added my mascara, I've added a bit of eyeliner on, and then I've gone in with Glowing Gen from Charlotte Tilbury on the lips. What do we think? I really like this. I'll definitely wear this on a night out. Yeah, I quite like it. Okay guys, and on to the third and final look. I think I'm gonna go with some of the pink and purple tones in this palette. So I'm gonna be working with this one, which is Antique Rose, Showstopper, Midnight Heather, and maybe smoke it out with this one down here, which I believe is Rich Caviar. Yeah. So let's jump in. So I've already primed my eyes. Let's go in with Antique Rose. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with that Midnight Heather colour. Take this very lightly. And then I'm just going to blend that all out. So I'm just going to smudge that out with the Midnight Heather. And then let's go in with a bit of concealer. Sorry, my camera just cut out, so we're about to go in with Showstopper. It's a really pretty colour. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with Midnight Heather again and just amp up the volume. And I'm just gonna create a pop of colour with Champagne. I don't think I'm gonna go in with that darker colour actually. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna finish this look off and I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay guys, this is the third and final makeup look. What do you guys think? I'm absolutely obsessed with this look. I love the pink and purple tones to my eyes. I finished it off with the same lipstick from the second makeup look, which is the Glowing Gem from Charlotte Tilbury. My mascara has been the same throughout. It's the Laura Mercier Caviar. And then I forgot to mention, for makeup 2, I used a MAC 263 angled liner brush. And I used the shade Low Light in the Pro Long Wear Fluid line from MAC as well. I adore this makeup look. I would definitely wear this throughout the day, to go on a night out. It's such a nice makeup look. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favourite look. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to keep on subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.